And here people are that nice. Like they are standing for last 5 minutes and see how much nicely he's telling her the places. So this is the good thing about Kerala. People are so, you can say like they are so nice. गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आप देख सकते हैं सूरज देवता आ चुके हैं और आज मेरे घर भी कोई आने वाला है. सो लेट मी शो यू दैट. It's one of the best day of my life because my friend Mridula just came here to meet me. She is over here. And the strange part is, those who know Mridula, they know very well. She woke up at 6 a.m. just to come to Thrissur. And it's the first time you are coming to Thrissur.
Yeah.
So we are going to explore full Thrissur. So if you have any recommendations, do let us know. So far, Mridula's experience is so good. So let's see if it is going to be good for coming days also or not.
Yeah.
UP breakfast. So we are having UP breakfast. Here we have vermicelli. And we have my mummy gave some toast also because she likes to have it with her tea. This is toast and we have some bhujia also. We will have chai party. Okay.
Yes.
After having breakfast, I just took shower because we need to go out. And before going out, right after shower, such wet hairs is such a difficult situation for me. Using Agaro HT1120 hair dryer. It has 2.5 meter long power cord. Also have 3 heat or speed settings, low, medium and high. It also comes with a cool mode for flexible styling control. It comes with a ionic technology. 2000 watts hair dryer with powerful AC motor creates ideal airflow and temperature for salon-like result at home. It has honeycomb air inlet. The best part is this is compatible with all hair types, wavy, straight, curly or coily hair also. I'm using is the diffuser, which will be really helpful for the curly hair girl because you know it's very hard to maintain such hair. But if you have a straight hair, then you can use concentrated nozzle. Helps to focus airflow for precise styling and touch up. It also has auto shut off function for overheating protection. It also comes with a cool mode for flexible styling control. Agaro hair dryer comes with 2 years of manufacturer's warranty, then you can use it without any kind of tension. This one is the comb nozzle for quick straight hair look. As you can see now, it is very easy to use, so people like me also are able to use this product. So if you are interested to purchase this product, then I am attaching the link in my description box. It comes with 3 nozzles as I have shown you in the video. So if you are interested in this, do let me know. As you can see the changes in my hair. Now my hair are very perfectly straight, but if you have curly hair also, use the diffuser to make your curls more visible. Also has a hanging loop, so you can easily hang it anywhere and you can easily use it whenever it is required. So now I am ready to go outside. मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को लेकर आ गई हूँ शोभा सिटी की तरफ और आप यहाँ पे सामने देख सकते हो जहाँ पे जॉय एलोकास का होम दिख रहा है. तो जॉय एलोकास बेसिकली किसी होम में नहीं रहते, वो प्रॉपर एक मेंशन में रहते हैं. तो आप में से जितने भी लोग जॉय एलोकास को जानते हैं, आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइएगा. वो केरला के वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट पर्सन में से एक आते हैं और केरला के कौन कौन रिच पीपल हैं वो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइएगा. तो अब हम एंटर कर रहे हैं शोभा सिटी मॉल में. ये दोज हु आर वाचिंग फ्रॉम त्रिशूर, यू माइट नो दिस लोकेशन well, right? So we are at Shobha City Mall. We both are going and now we are entering to this place. So this place is like very posh. We'll walk from here. People are looking at us. So let's go and show Mridula Trishur's another place. I'm feeling like I'm a pro, guys.
Yeah, she is a pro actually in buses and all. She's like Shobha. Shobha.
Yeah, I am actually showing off, okay? I'm not that much. But it's like,
do this, do that. You walk on this side, you
Yeah.
walk on that side.
little bit show off is required, you know, because I'm just feeling like, oh, I know everything. She knows, she is talking to people in Malayalam and she is able to read out the things which I have never read in 5 years. So anyway, we are here.
Beautiful actually.
Only the thing which I like more about here is, no, this is one of the place in Thrissur where all the rich people of Thrissur are staying. Not all, I would say, because there are many rich people who are staying outside the society, but you will see much kind of the millionaire kind of, billionaire kind of people who are staying over here. So as you can see now in front of me, this is Joy Aluka's home. So I am just trying to show the glimpse of this place, and in front of me this is the Kalyan's house. I do not know exactly which one, But yeah, it is written over there that their name starts with Kalyan, so that's why I'm telling you with such information. This area looks so posh, and this is maintained in such a way like anyone would like to stay here for long. As you can see, like the flats which are being built over here are having helipads, and this is, I think, the rent of this place would be around 50 to 60,000 per flat. I'm not really sure about it. हम दोनों आ चुके हैं शोभा सिटी में। शोभा यहाँ की एक वो जगह है जहाँ पे रिच पीपल रहते हैं, जैसे कि हम लोग नहीं रहते हैं यहाँ पे। So this place is like very posh, and we just saw Joya Lucas mansion, and our mouth was open. Oh, this much? When we will become this much rich? I think every other middle class thinks like that, like us. So yeah, it was such a big mansion, and we saw some like you can see here are lot of flats and all, which consist of helipads and swimming pool. Lot of things are there. So whenever I come to this place, I feel like, oh, I should be rich. But how to be rich? Motivation is there, but there is no way. So tell us the way how to become rich.
Drop the comments.
Drop the comments. So most of the Malayalis just spend a lot in their houses. They make a very big villa and mansion. I don't think so this kind of flats are okay with Malayalis, because they are used to with, you can say, like bigger houses and posh locations. So anyway, but Joya Lucas' house was something beyond the level. That's what we see. I think he's a millionaire, I would say.
Yeah, I think.
He is one of the richest person, no? So yeah, diamond business, yeah. He is having even in Singapore and all. You have to give compliments to her, okay?
Yeah.
She's looking good. Give good comments only.
Only good comments.
Only good comments.
Bad comments you'll delete.
As my friend Mridula is from LFP, so she was very much aware about the Shobha City. So that's place which I showed to her is the Shobha City Mall. The vibe of this location is quite relaxing, and you can see like people are enjoying over this place. So it's not only about shopping, it's about like enjoying that particular location. So as you can see, like this is, I think this is man-made only, this particular pond, I would say. But anyway, as now I am one of the Malayali, so I also enjoy evening snacks. It is like a tattakada snacks. So anyway, we are just purchasing few of the chaya and snacks, and now we are going to go inside the mall. But before that, as you can see, the weather is changing very beautifully. You know, in Kerala these days it's monsoon season is going on, and if you are in Kerala, you might know this beauty that whenever the black clouds just cover over the area, this looks so good. So now we are just enjoying in the mall, and after this I'm going home. आज सुबह सुबह का टाइम हो चुका है, और आप देख सकते हो कि मृदुला रेडी हो गई है, और साथ के साथ मैं भी रेडी हो गई हूँ, बिकॉज टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग इटसेल्फ वी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू द टेम्पल, क्योंकि मृदुला को देखना था वडक्कुमनाथ टेम्पल. नाउ वी हैव जस्ट गॉट रेडी. यू कैन सी मृदुला ऑल्सो विद मी. So now we are going to Vadakkumnath temple. Is it Vadakkumnath or Vadakkumnath? Vadakkumnath temple. So I am the North Indian who is going to show a Malayali that temple. So I'm kind of feeling so proud of me. Even though there is nothing to be proud of, she have showed me entire Kerala.
I did not even know this place. She's the guide for today.
I am the guide. So guys, just teach me how to guide her, and she is coming here just to see Trishul. So you have to suggest her good places.
I am coming here just to see her.
Such a nice baby. You have to see our look. I'll show you. We both are wearing almost same color clothes. Yeah, twinning. So let's go and explore Trishul. Yes. दिखाओ पहले आप करिए. So we finally reached to Vadakkumnath, our first stop, and here we are. Ta-da! First time she is going inside the temple, so I hope she is going to understand the customs of Trishul. See who is speaking that. मैं देख कैसी पहली नॉर्थ इंडियन हूँ जो एक मलयाली को केरला दिखा रही है. That's very strange, right? हमारा जो नेक्स्ट स्टॉप है वो है परमेकावु टेम्पल. हम अंदर जाके दर्शनम करके आ चुके हैं. तो मृदुला को मैं बता रही थी यहाँ की हिस्ट्री के बारे में, दैट द कॉम्पिटिशन हैपेंड बिटवीन परमेकावु एंड वडक्कुमनाथन ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ Trishurpuram. So this place is quite sacred, and this is quite old. You can say like this is the cultural capital of Kerala, and this is where the actual cultural is rooted to. We took a 2 minutes break and sat here to drink something. So that's why we are having some kind of cool drinks as it's hot outside. ऑटो अब हम जा रहे हैं शक्तन तंबूरन पैलेस के लिए. So far हम वडक्कुमनाथ टेम्पल गए और टेम्पल was closed. So we went to Paramekavu temple. We had a very good darshanam, and now we are going to our Shaktan Tampuran palace. Even I am going there for the first time. I was showing off a lot. I was showing off like a wanderer. Then she told me there are more places to see. Google tells, yeah. Let's talking in Malayalam with Chetan. So now the weather is changing over here. So we have reached to Shaktan Tampuran Palace. It was quite near to Paramekavu. We didn't know that, and we took an auto. And she is asking them what are the places to visit. She trusts me a bit, but not fully. But it's good, no, getting the local advice. And here people are that nice. Like they are standing for last 5 minutes and see how much nicely he's telling her the places. So this is the good thing about Kerala. People are so, you can say like, they are so nice. They will give their heart out when it comes to like helping anyone. So such a good people. See how much he's smiling and telling the places. This is such a nice thing. I just love about the people over here. हम आ चुके हैं शक्तन तंबूरन पैलेस, जो कि वडक के स्टैंड के ठीक सामने है. अच्छा, त्रिशूर में ना शक्तन तंबूरन नाम से कई सारी चीज़ें हैं, जैसे कि शक्तन बस स्टैंड है और दूसरी चीज़ें भी हैं. तो आप मुझे इनके बारे में थोड़ा सा कमेंट करके बताइएगा, क्योंकि मुझे ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है. 2 people they have charged 70 rupees to enter inside. So this was the ticket price, with 10 rupees extra charge if you want to create videos or photos over here inside. So we have paid that, and now we have entered over here. And the first thing which I saw was this carriage. How beautiful this is. So far, if you would have seen Bridgerton kind of series, then you would be aware that how beautiful these carriages are. And there is a very brief history on these. Seriously, our India has all the things. Now you can see over here. So it's like a proper museum where like you can see different things, and the place have a very good vibe. As you can see, like this is kind of, you can say, like a palace where Shaktan Tampuran used to live. So you can see like this palace was so open, it has its own garden, and the much interesting part which I saw was this chessboard. You can see like how much detailing has been done in each and everything. This is how our Indian culture is. The beauty, the detailing, and the hard work of the people who have worked during that time. You can see the wooden stairs also. While we are walking, it's not making any kind of sound also. So this is the quality of wood they have used before. I think during that time, no, people had much privilege to use the quality things. Now even you will pay thousands and hundreds and crores, whatever it is, but about the quality you will be doubtful. Anyways, now we are entering to the garden which was present over here, and this was quite peaceful. You can see lotus pond in front of me. You know, in Kerala, in most of the homes, I have noticed that people do maintain a lotus pond inside their house. So what is the reason behind it? I'm not really very sure. So if any one of you know about it, please do comment and let me know. Now we are heading towards more inside to the depth of the garden and getting the deep forest vibes from this location, because you know it's that much covered with trees that even like little bit of sunshine is also not causing you any kind of heat stroke. So I would say that, because currently it's the rainy season, but sometimes like it's very harsh sun also, so you will start getting headache. But if you are in such kind of forest, then you like any kind of heat might not affect you. So now we are heading towards Ambe Swami catering services, as Mridula told me that the payasam over here is the best one in Trishur, so we wanted to try this. With this payasam, they have also given something like boli. So if any one of you know about it, please do comment and let me know. By the time I will reach back to my home and try this both of the things, and I will let you know how was the taste of Ambe Swami's payasam. So if you like that video, then you have to comment and let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye for today.